How can I analyze the sales history for FBA? Analyzing the sales history for FBA is essential for understanding performance trends, identifying high-performing products, and planning future strategies. By studying historical sales data, sellers can make smarter inventory pricing and marketing decisions. This process helps predict demand, minimize storage costs, and boost overall profitability in the long term. A data-driven review of sales history turns raw information into actionable business insights. The first step is to access your Amazon Seller Central reports. Navigate to the Business Reports section, where you can find key data such as units sold, ordered revenue, and conversion rates over time. Analyzing these metrics monthly or quarterly allows you to track sales fluctuations, spot seasonal patterns, and identify products that consistently perform well. This data helps shape purchasing and marketing strategies for future growth. Next, use advanced tools like Helium 10's Profits Dashboard to visualize trends and break down performance by product, keyword, or campaign. These tools offer detailed analytics on profit margins, return rates, and advertising effectiveness. You can also compare historical data to evaluate the impact of pricing changes, promotions, or product listing updates, giving you a complete picture of your store's growth trajectory. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced analytics tools to track, interpret, and optimize your Amazon FBA sales history like a pro.